Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel on day 6. Today it's going to be very simple, interesting smoothie recipe. It's a perfect breakfast replacement smoothie for the working women and busy moms. If at all you wanted to keep your breakfast simple, you're busy, this smoothie will take care of everything because this is rich in carbohydrates. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. To prepare this smoothie, take 2 cups of diced musk melon, 1 small cup of papaya. Always add less papaya because too much of papaya would spoil the taste of the smoothie. And 2 chickoo peeled and cut into pieces. Here I am adding 1 cup of ice cubes. If you want, you can add 1 cup of water. Adjust water or ice cubes based on the consistency you want to have. Here I am adding just 1/4 cup of water. As I already said, this is an alternative for breakfast. These 3 fruits are very rich in good quality of carbs, which helps you keep fuller for longer. This is best even for babies. Believe me, your kids will love the taste of this smoothie. Just 2 minutes, the smoothie is ready and straight from the blender to your tummies. Such a versatile smoothie it is. Our day 6 rich and healthy smoothie is ready to be served. Let me tell you, this is our family's one of the favorite smoothies ever, and we always relish and enjoy this on weekends. So this is it guys for today. Let's catch up tomorrow. Until then, take good care of yourselves. Bye.